and welcome back to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and today we're going to be showing you our coastal farmhouse bathroom makeover. So we did a makeover of our small half bath that's across from our laundry room, and we just wanted to update it, make it a lot more light and bright because it was originally pretty dark. And we also wanted to make it more functional and add some space for storage. Okay, so this is the before shot of the bathroom. So it was a dark mirror on the wall, there was a dark cabinet, and we did have the nice plantation shutters in there already. But we didn't have any storage in there other than the cabinet, the actual vanity. So I started with the cabinets and I used liquid sandpaper in order to take the sheen off the cabinets. They were kind of slick and shiny. So I used that just so that I could go ahead and paint them and the paint would stick.
He promised we would find the time, dreaming for eternity, creating...
I also took the hardware off the drawers and the cabinet door, but I also ran into a problem where the people that had installed the cabinet had actually drilled the holes for one of the handle in the wrong place. So I had 4 holes. I had to go ahead and fill 2 of those holes so that I could paint over it and just have the holes that I needed to put the handle back in without those extra holes.
Bigger than they'd say, now looking at you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass.
So once I finished doing that, I went ahead and started priming the cabinet. Since the cabinet color was so dark and I was going to be painting over it with a lighter color, I definitely knew that I needed to do primer, and I figured I'd probably need to do a couple coats of primer.
Along the roads in Tennessee, dreaming of what we could be, from the back of your dad's red truck. No one thought I was gonna make it. No one believed I'd take the time for realizing my own dreams and taking care of you and me. I knew we were always gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they'd say, now looking at you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass, cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack, broken love, tequila and bluegrass, evenings just like movie scenes, along the roads in Tennessee, dreaming of what we could be, from the back of your dad's red truck. Those days we were invincible, splitting up would be unthinkable.
This is what it looks like with 1 coat of primer, and then this side over here has 2 coats of primer. I think it's going to take 2 coats of primer and probably 2 coats of paint. Then I painted the color on here. This is an HGTV Sherwin-Williams color called Warm Turquoise. Some of you are probably looking at this color and thinking it's a bold choice for a bathroom cabinet, and others of you that know me in real life are probably wondering why it's taken me this long to paint a cabinet turquoise. But I think it's a great choice for a coastal farmhouse inspired bathroom, and it turned out perfect.
Dreaming of what we could be, from the back of your dad's red, from the back of your dad's red truck.
Once I finished up with painting the bathroom vanity, I went ahead and installed a new mirror. I put the hardware back on the drawers and the door of the cabinet, and I installed a towel hook on the wall.
You keep on crawling back despite the pain inside. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy and give me a chance to show.
And finally, our cabinet came from Amazon. We waited a long time on this cabinet, and eventually it was delivered to the wrong house, but we finally got it. So I cleaned it, and then I went ahead and loaded it up with all those things that we just haven't had a place for in this new house. So we painted these cabinets. They used to be a much darker color, and I just used the same hardware and put that on. We got the rug from Target, and the mirror also came from Target. I wanted to add a little bit of wood, but I wanted the wood to be really light. And I got the light from Amazon, and it's just more of kind of a industrial or even maybe sort of a nautical type of look. And then for decor, I got this starfish towel hook, and then this little frame that says "Meet me at the beach." We got that from Hobby Lobby. And the soap container, I got that on Amazon. So the sink, all of that is exactly the same. The only thing we did here was just paint the cabinets. And then the rest of the decor, all of this came from Hobby Lobby. This was in a set of 3, and it just had these starfish and the sand dollar. And also this print, Mightier Than the Sea, It Says Love For You. That also came from Hobby Lobby. Then I bought this frame from Hobby Lobby, but I bought the picture of the Harbortown Lighthouse it's just a watercolor print that I bought on Etsy to go in that frame. And then probably the most functional thing that we did was installing this cabinet. This room is so little that it's kind of hard to show the whole thing, but this cabinet was huge because we really didn't have a lot of storage in this house. So this allowed me to put our sunscreen and all of our beach and pool towels in here, along with these are lanterns that we use if the power goes out, and then just some extra toilet paper for this bathroom. And then on the bottom, it just allowed me to put a lot of our cleaning products in here. So just everything that I used to try to keep in the laundry room or the kitchen, it just opened up a lot more space for me. So this cabinet was on Amazon, but I did attach it to the wall to make it just a lot more sturdy and kind of give the feel of like real furniture, because of just being a lot more sturdy with it attached to the wall like that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.